Hi guys, how you all doing? Some friends of ours came up to visit us and they bought this little puppy Labrador. About, I'm not sure how old he is, but here he is, just looking at these sheep. He wants to play with the sheep and the sheep is having a look at the dog. Oh, that's a, hey, hello. There it is. Hey, don't smell my backside, leave my backside alone. What do you want, hey? What do you want, all? Yeah, yeah, what's this funny looking thing? Hey, come on. Oh, that's all right. Yeah, I don't know. It wants to come in, but you can't. You can't come out here. Oh dear. Hey. 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 Hey, come on, let's give you a treat. Let's give you a treat. Rocky. His name's Rocky. What a name. What a name. I'm sure Sylvester Stallone will like that. Sit, 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 sit. Here's a treat. Here's a treat. Sit. You want a little treat? Ow! Okay. Crikey's a bit of a bite there. You're going to be a very, very powerful dog, aren't you, hey? Oh, that's all right. Yeah, they're big dogs, aren't they? They're real fluffy dogs. Aren't you a cute little thing, eh? What's that? Yeah. Well, what do you make of that, guys and girls? I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave a comment down below. Missing Max when we're inside.